Redmi Note 17 series going global, and they are different from the Note 17 models that is in China. For India, they will unveil the Pro models. The Redmi Note 17 Pro and the Pro Max are successor to the Redmi 15 Pro and Pro Plus launched last year. Both have 6.83-inch OLED display, but this year they pack a larger battery and faster charging. Both use a Snapdragon 6 series processor. However, the 200 megapixel camera that featured on last year's generation are gone. The Pro has a 8340 milliampere silicon carbon battery. That's an upgrade from the 6580 milliampere of the 15 Pro. Xiaomi says this will allow the phone to play videos for 28 hours on a single charge. The increased capacity is paired with faster 67-watt hypercharge system, up from 45 watts, which can go from up to 50% in 34 minutes. The phone supports 25.5-watt reverse fast charging as well. The Pro has a 6.83-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 12-bit color, and can reach up to 3500 nits of peak brightness, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This model is the same display on the 15 Pro except for a small bump in brightness. The phone is powered by Snapdragon S6S Gen 4 chipset, which replaces the Dimensity 7400 Ultra on the previous phone. It has 6GB, 8GB, or 12GB of RAM with 128, 256, or 512GB storage. The UFS 3.1 is storage for all but the base 128GB, which is UFS 2.2. Pro Max is the same size as the Pro. The Max has a battery life of 9210 mAh, which has 16% silicon carbon content. The phone can play videos up to 37 hours, game for 19 hours, or record videos for 13 hours. It's a big step up from the 6500 mAh for the 15 Pro Plus. It has 100-watt hypercharge of the 15 Pro Plus, the higher power rating and necessity with a growing capability of silicon carbon batteries. Xiaomi says you can get a day's worth of charge in 20 minutes. Reverse charging is slightly more powerful, 27-watt. It uses the same display but comes with a Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset. It uses TSMC 4nm processor, Samsung 4nm node like the 6S Gen 4. Gen 5 has a small clock speed advantage. It has slightly more powerful GPU Adreno 712 versus 710. They've equipped with 256GB and 512GB variants of this phone with UFS 4.1 storage. The Pro gets a display guarded by Victus 2. The phones are rated for IP66, IP68. There's no IP69K rating this time. Xiaomi claims superior submersion resistance, saying the phones can withstand 72 hours under 3 meters of water compared to 24 hours under 22 meters for the 15 Pro models. Both phones weigh the same 223 grams for the Pro and 225 grams for the Pro Max. It's the same thickness of 8.6 mm thickness. Both phones have stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. The Max is 400% louder compared to the Pro version. There is no 3.5 headphone jack, but there is Bluetooth 6.0 on the Pro Max and 5.1 on the Pro. And the phones also come with Wi-Fi 6, while the Pro comes for Wi-Fi 5. Both phones support NFC, dual SIM connectivity, and eSIM options. Another place where the Pro Max has upper hand is the camera distance. You get 200 megapixel main. Their zooming capabilities are gone. Instead, the 17 Pro models get 50 megapixel main camera with OIS and 8 megapixel ultra wide. The Pro Max advantage is that it has a bigger sensor, which is 0.8 pixel size compared to 0.6 on the Pro, and is brighter at f1.5 versus f1.8. It has a better selfie camera, 32 megapixel compared to 16 megapixel for the Pro. Both phones launched with HyperOS 3 with 6 years of security update. The Redmi Note 17 Pro comes in 5 storage elements starting from $400, 4 colors: sky blue, satin orange, orange, purple, blue, and black. The Redmi 17 Pro Max comes with 4 colors options and 4 storage options starting at $500 also.